So I'll be showing you how to turn on or enable vibration on your iPhone. Now, if your iPhone doesn't seem to be vibrating, then there's a way you can turn vibration on or enable vibration. And for this tutorial, I'm using the iPhone 14 Pro running iOS 16, but you can use more or less the same instructions on other iPhones. So go to settings. On the main settings page, scroll down to accessibility, tap on that, and then tap on touch. Under touch, find vibration and enable it by turning on that toggle button. And from now on, if you go to the sounds and haptics settings, you can be able to control and see that your phone can vibrate. And that's basically how to enable or how to turn on vibration on your iPhone. Thanks for watching. Leave your comments and questions down below, and good luck.